In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to 100% not get banned in League of Legends. This guide is based on official guidelines and will help you understand what penalties mean, why they happen, and how to avoid them altogether. First, let's clarify the difference between bans, suspensions, and restrictions. A ban or suspension means you can't access your account for a set period of time, and the terms are used interchangeably. Restrictions are less severe. They are time-based limitations placed on your account for earlier or smaller infractions. For example, chat restrictions stop you from talking in-game, but you can still play. Leverbuster and Q-dodging penalties are also restrictions. They delay or prevent you from starting a new game if you go AFK or dodge, while still letting you log in. There are two main types of suspensions. Temporary suspensions block access for days or weeks, and often come after warnings or chat restrictions, though severe cases can result in immediate action. Use that downtime to reflect on what triggered the penalty. There are also ID bans for more serious offenses, which last much longer. Permanent suspensions, or permabans, prevent access forever. These nearly always follow multiple warnings or temporary suspensions. If you ignore those warnings, you risk losing the account permanently. You'll see the reason for a ban when you try to log in. Common categories include negative attitude, such as griefing or giving up, verbal abuse and offensive language, leaving the game or going AFK, intentional feeding, hate speech of any kind, cheating with unapproved third-party programs, and offensive or inappropriate names. Actions not on that list can still violate the terms of service, like win trading or boosting. Can a suspension be removed? Generally, no. Penalties correctly issued by the automated systems are not lifted or adjusted, and more serious actions are usually preceded by clear warnings. In extreme cases, a permanent ban can happen without prior warnings. If you genuinely believe a penalty was incorrect, you can submit an appeal by opening a support ticket, selecting the option to discuss a personal suspension, ban, or restriction, providing all required details, and submitting it. To avoid future suspensions, stick to the code of conduct, respect others, keep your cool, and focus on the game. If chat is heating up, turn off all chat or use commands like full mute, mute self, and deafen. Blocking out distractions helps you play better and keeps your account safe.